Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I welcome you. Thank you so much for stopping by. To all my channel members and all my supporters, thank you so much for the love and support. I really appreciate the love. As you can see by the title, I am making this lovely tea. Come along with me, let I show you. Rosemary is a member of the same family as thyme, oregano, and basil. It is well known for garnishing and seasoning. This herb is rich in calcium, iron, and vitamin B6. In spice format, rosemary comes as whole leaves or ground powder to flavor chicken, beef, lamb, and even fish. However, rosemary have benefit in traditional medical treatment as muscle relaxant, immune booster, and circulation enhancer. Guys, please do your research.
Them say it tastes nice every time when you cook all my finger, my bite. Food delicious, me have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment, like. Sister J, real top chef that a fuck. Chop, 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 chop. Chop the potato, chop the carrot. Whole pass spice of it day in the pot. Sister J, she no play to the world where we say when not time to cook, she no delay. Me swear.
Here I have my rosemary. It's already washed and it's time to make my rosemary tea. Consuming rosemary in your diet also helps to reduce inflammation in our body. Rosemary can be used for arthritis or issues affecting the nervous system. Guys, please do your research. So now I'm pouring the boiling water on my rosemary and I'm gonna cover it and let it sit for 2 minutes. If you're here and you're not yet connected with me, go ahead and hit that red subscription button. Put that post notification bell on so you can be notified when I'm on. Please remember to put that thumbs up for me and share me out if you can. And here I'm removing the raspberry and I'm just gonna sweeten it with the sweetener of my choice. I thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, and comment. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please consider in doing so. Take care of yourself and loved ones. Be safe. Please subscribe for more.